Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to create approval workflows on Asana. This is your complete 2025 guide, so let's get started. First up, you want to start a new project. This is important because it's the foundation of your workflow. Go to the top right corner, click on the plus, and select Project. Now that we've done that, the next step is to add tasks. This is where the magic happens. Click on plus Add Task, then enter the task details. These tasks will define your workflow, so be specific and thorough. The reason we do this is to streamline your project and make sure nothing slips through the cracks. Now, go to each task and click on the to the right, then select Approvals. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. You're turning your tasks into approval tasks, which is crucial for your workflow. Next up, assign your tasks. Click on the Assignee field and select a team member. This helps us because it ensures that each task has a responsible person. Lastly, set due dates. Click on the due date field and select a date. This is vital to keep your project on track and ensure timely approvals. Let me explain why this matters. By creating an approval workflow, you're streamlining your project, ensuring accountability, and making sure your team is on the same page. And that's it. You've just created an approval workflow in Asana. It's simple, efficient, and a game changer for project management. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.